Hey friends, you're gonna love this amazing almond cake recipe that requires no flour, no oil, no baking soda whatsoever. All you need is 5 eggs, 1.5 cups of almond flour, half cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and some slivered almonds for topping. First, you will separate the egg yolks from the whites, whip the white in a mixer until white peaks form. Keep that aside. Using the same mixer now, mix together egg yolks, sugar, and the vanilla extract until creamy. Now you will no longer use the machine. Using your hands, gently fold in the almond flour, and then lastly fold in the egg whites together, and top it with the slivered almonds. Bake it at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. You will love this recipe, your waist, and you will thank me later. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing while this beautiful cake is going to be baking. Enjoy!